In this segment, we delve into the essence of the smoke ring technique. The smoke ring is a pink discoloration that forms on the outer layer of smoked meats, indicating proper smoking processes. Achieving a smoke ring is crucial in barbecue as it signifies the meat's exposure to the low and slow smoke, enhancing flavor and tenderness. The development of a smoke ring is not only visually appealing but also adds a depth of smoky taste to the dish, elevating the overall barbecue experience. Selecting the right wood is pivotal in mastering the smoke ring technique. Various types of wood offer distinct flavors and intensities when used for smoking meats. Optimal choices like hickory, oak, or cherry wood contribute to the formation of a pronounced smoke ring. Properly preparing wood ensures a clean burn and consistent smoke production, essential for developing the desired smoke ring on your barbecue creations. Understanding the characteristics of different woods and their impact on flavor profiles is key to achieving exceptional results in smoke ring technique. Mastering the smoking process is a craft that hinges on precision and technique. Consistent smoke production is achieved by closely monitoring the smoking environment throughout the cooking process. Controlling temperature and airflow is crucial in maintaining the ideal conditions for smoke ring development. Fine-tuning these factors ensures the meat absorbs the right amount of smoke, resulting in a beautifully formed smoke ring. Attaining the perfect smoke ring color involves a delicate balance of time, smoke intensity, and temperature control, ultimately enhancing the visual appeal and flavor complexity of the barbecued dish. The smoke ring technique plays a pivotal role in elevating the overall flavor profile of barbecue dishes. This distinct pink ring not only enhances visual appeal but also infuses a rich smokiness into the meat, intensifying its taste. Experimenting with different wood flavors allows pitmasters to craft unique and complex flavor profiles, adding depth to their creations. Insider tips and techniques offer valuable insights into enhancing flavor profiles through strategic use of smoke ring technique, unlocking a world of tantalizing and unforgettable barbecue experiences. Navigating common challenges in achieving the perfect smoke ring is essential for barbecue enthusiasts. From uneven smoke distribution to temperature fluctuations, pitmasters encounter various issues during the smoking process. Implementing solutions such as adjusting airflow, maintaining consistent heat, and reevaluating wood selection can significantly improve smoke ring formation. Tips for troubleshooting include monitoring smoke color, ensuring proper meat surface moisture, and fine-tuning smoking duration to address any potential issues, ultimately leading to the successful mastery of the smoke ring technique.